Union Minister of New and Renewable Energy Prahlad Joshi said that the government's aim to make India a global hub for green hydrogen production, use and export. The minister made this remark while addressing the inaugural session of the 3rd International Conference on Green Hydrogen 2025 in New Delhi. He said green hydrogen should be seen as an economic necessity, not just an option. He said under the National Green Hydrogen Mission, the government's preliminary focus is on developing novel technologies that leverage biomass or waste material to produce the green hydrogen. Mr. Joshi noted that India aims to lead in clean value chains and the hydrogen economy worldwide. He emphasized on the world as one family philosophy and said that India's green hydrogen journey benefits the entire planet. The two-day conference will focus on the topics related to development of green hydrogen and its application across various sectors. The conference is part of the government's effort to advance the National Green Hydrogen Mission. Bureau Report News Now.